Take a virtual journey through Chamberlain University's Chicago campus, located in a city renowned for its vibrant culture and history. From the iconic Willis Tower to the bustling Magnificent Mile, multitudes of walking tours, river tours, shopping, museums, and restaurants are within easy reach of campus. The Commons. Dive into the heart of campus life at the Commons. This vibrant hub buzzes with activity, offering a cozy nook for every student. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project, dive into a new book, or just chill with friends over coffee, this is your go-to spot. Plus, with tasty treats within easy reach, it's the perfect place to fuel your campus adventures. Front Desk. Your go-to resource hub, the front desk is where assistance meets opportunity, supporting the vibrant student community at every turn. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. Skills Lab. Sharpen your clinical prowess in Chamberlain's state-of-the-art Skills Lab. Surrounded by cutting-edge technology and lifelike mannequins, you'll transform theoretical knowledge into hands-on expertise. Flexible open lab sessions mean you can hone your skills on your schedule, ensuring you're prepared for whatever nursing throws your way. Center for Academic Success, CAS. Elevate your study game at the CAS, where academic support meets personalized learning. Collaborate with peers or delve into solo study in our tranquil study spaces. With a fleet of tech at your fingertips and expert tutors just a question away, every study session is a step towards success. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. NCLEX Bell Wall. A proud symbol of achievement, the NCLEX Bell Wall honors the triumphs of graduates who have conquered the NCLEX, inviting them to ring in their success for all to hear. Classroom. Engage in interactive learning in our classrooms, featuring flexible setups and modern AV equipment for an immersive educational environment. Study room. Whether you're studying solo or brainstorming with a group, our study rooms offer a focused environment equipped with all the tools you need for academic excellence.